Hello, welcome to my video. This is Audio Explore. Today, I will review this earphone. It can be affordable and easy to drive in ear headphones. It is the Nightingale headphones with planar drivers released by Sivga in 2023. When it comes to Nightingale, its core component, the large planar driver, from design, development, manufacturing, is all independently developed and produced by Sivga. Let's briefly discuss this model. The Nightingale continues to embody Sivga's traditional design with a metal housing paired with a wooden rear cavity cover. The Nightingale continues to embody Sivga's traditional design with a metal housing paired with a wooden rear cavity cover. For those familiar with Sivga or JVC, it is known that Sivga uses wood as a component not just for aesthetics, but also for its acoustic properties. Headphones with wooden structures often produce warmer sound, acting as a natural tuning method. In terms of the driver, it features a completely self-developed planar diaphragm driver. Unlike the commonly seen single-sided magnetic planar drivers on the market, this planar driver is double-sided magnetic, indicating better control and lower distortion. In terms of cables, they use a 4-strand twisted silver-plated copper wire. The connector features a 0.78mm 2-pin design, and it comes standard with a 4.4mm balance plug. There is no 3.5mm single-ended version because the planar driver requires more voltage to drive it effectively. With an impedance of just 16 ohms, this headphone can be easily powered by a decent entry-level dongle. This is the frequency response curve. You can clearly see that this curve is completely different from the traditional Harman curve, showing two distinct sound signatures. I'm using the Harman curve of 2017 for comparison. And it is evident that this headphone takes on an entirely different direction, which guarantees a very unique sound profile. The Nightingale gives me an immediate impression of the advantages of planar drivers, showcasing excellent sound control and detail. Compared to traditional planar drivers, the overall sound is on the warmer side with a moderately sized soundstage and no noticeable boundaries. The highs are vibrant and lush, although they can occasionally be a bit sharp. Overall, the high-frequency performance is above average, and the tonality is significantly better than many multi-driver headphones. In the mid-range, the sibilance is well controlled. While the vocal performance isn't particularly standout for this price range, the overall quality and presentation are definitely above average. As for the low frequencies, they rebound quickly and have a punchy presence, but the depth is somewhat lacking. The bass quantity is moderate, but the extension is quite good. In summary, as one of the few planar magnetic headphones available, the Nightingale delivers an impressive performance for its price point. It's particularly well suited for listening to genres like pop and dance music that have a strong rhythmic feel. Given its price advantage, the Nightingale is a solid choice for anyone looking to buy the first planar drivers. If you are interested in trying out planar technology, this model is definitely worth considering. That wraps up today's video, and I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
You are my warm place. You are my mad strike, set me ablaze. I wish we could stay, but I got other demons I need face to face. You left me with a heavy heart. I'm cold.